Alright guys, today we're gonna work on the BMW 328i 2015. If you have a problem, the hot air, either cold air, doesn't come from either passenger side or driver side, and it has got the automatic climate control. It could be either the driver side blend door actuator or passenger side blend door actuator. In this case, mine, the hot air, when it turns to the heater, doesn't come from the passenger vent, so it just get the cold air. In order to do that, the location of the actuator is just right there behind that airbag. You got to be careful. So this is a cover right here. There is two screws here and here. Actually there are two nuts, 10 millimeter. All you need to do, use the 10 millimeter socket. These are the nuts, and then use the star. It's T20 for the taking the door for the cabin air filter. See how bad is the cabin air filter? It's just like kind of curve goes there. Let me show it to you. So it goes right here, just like that, and put the light here so I can show it to you. And there is two star T20. Take them out, push it out, and this is the actuator that I'm talking about. You got to use the same T21 here. The other one is just right at the opposite side over there. So you need to use the tiny one, smaller than this one, and to get the other one out. The new one is coming. I'm gonna put back together right here and connect it, put it back together, turn the engine on, let it run, and it should work. The only thing is to adjust that, just connect the connector to the new one before you put back there. Turn it back to the cold and turn it back to the hot again, and then turn it back to the cold again, and leave it on the cold. So that way you know it's already adjusted on the cold position. Put it back together and you should be fine. That was the short guide for the how to replace the AC actuator, AC blend door actuator on BMW. Thank you guys for watching. God bless.